Okay, getting ready to test a traditional pine parcha. This is not the ideal time to fly a kite, Afghan kite, and the reason is that it's been raining for the past few days and the grass is kind of wet. Usually, you in case the kite crashes, which does happen sometimes, you don't want to get the kite wet. But I already tested this a little bit just a minute ago, so it was doing pretty good. The wind is pretty good, so let's see how this does. This is a traditional pine parcha, really nice design. Pine parcha is like one of the biggest kites in Afghanistan. This is looks just like one, but it's a small one. And yeah, the wind is really good right now. Shifty but good. Lots of crows. I don't know if you can see if I can maybe catch the crows or something. So the wind is towards the sun usually, and that's why I was it wasn't really flying, because the wind is towards the sun and that's the direction it wants to go. And it keeps taking nose dives. We don't want this kite to hit the ground. Okay, it's doing very good. So a traditional pine parcha, the design is very classic one. At least in the 80s, this was a very classic traditional pine parcha design. That kind of nice tuxedo look. It's doing very well. It's very well balanced. Okay, let's bring this down and make sure it doesn't hit the grass, because water is the worst thing for these kites. All right, there you go. It's pretty good actually.